Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian pickled cucumber. To begin, select fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally smaller varieties like Persian or Kirby. Wash them thoroughly and pat dry. You'll want to slice them into thin rounds or spears, about 1/4 of an inch thick, ensuring even pieces for consistent pickling. This initial preparation is crucial for the texture and flavor absorption of your delicious homemade pickle. For this recipe, you'll need about 2 pounds of fresh cucumbers. Gather your spices: whole mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a pinch of asafoetida. You'll also need mustard oil, salt, and either white vinegar or fresh lemon juice for that essential tangy flavor. Having all your ingredients prepped and measured makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Heat about 1/4 cup of mustard oil in a pan until it just begins to smoke, then let it cool slightly. Add the mustard and fenugreek seeds, allowing them to splutter. Next, stir in the turmeric, chili powder, and asafoetida. Quickly add your sliced cucumbers, salt, and vinegar or lemon juice. Cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring the cucumbers remain slightly crisp. Remove from heat and let it cool completely. Once your Indian pickled cucumber has cooled, transfer it to a clean, airtight glass jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks. This pickle is a fantastic accompaniment to many Indian dishes, adding a burst of tangy, spicy flavor. Remember, this pickle is best enjoyed fresh, but it can last for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Serve it alongside your favorite Indian meals or as a zesty side dish. And speaking of fresh, if your car could use a little refresh, make sure to check the description below for a link to some great car air fresheners and other fantastic deals. Your taste buds and your nose will thank you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.